Here is the before and here is the after. My friend, totally is unbelievable. So today we will learn how to colorize a black and white photo in just 2 seconds. Without any further ado, let's get started. So my friend, it is not done in Adobe Photoshop. It is just done with an OpenAI tool. The site is palette.fm. You can go ahead and check the link in the description. And now, my friend, first of all, drag and drop the photos. You can go ahead. Now, for example, drag and drop that photo. And just wait. I want to tell you, it is not 110% free. Now, my friend, the most special things that I would like, there is, you can go ahead and there are some special presets you can go for: base, palette, lavender, colorful images, and so on else. So it is just processing. So wait for just seconds. My favorite preset is, my friend, is colorful memory. If you go ahead and move around, you can go ahead colorful memories, and it is my favorite one, my friend. And it's just processing and just wait. As you can see here, right description, a picture of server boys and sunlights. You can go ahead and right see here it's just processing. Let's just check this out, my friends. Are very awesome. As you can see here is the before, the original one, and here is the colorful memories. Very dramatic, cinematic scene. You can go ahead and download that, my friend. You go to HD downloads, it will ask you for payments. You can simply download from here, and my friend, just drag and drop the downloaded image into the Photoshop. Now my friend, as you drag and drop the image into the Photoshop, you can see it is too much low resolution. Just see that. Oh my friend, you can see here, it is too much low resolution pics. So how to get rid of, how to make it HD in high quality? So here is a tricks. Now, my friend, what is the technique? So if you want to learn tips and tricks, you are at the right place. So what you have to do, first of all, make it larger. Simply hold the Alt and Shift key and make it larger according to our image. So at the enter. Now, my friend, you can see it is too much low, as you can see here, but we can do one thing. So first of all, select the layer of the downloaded image or the image file that we have created by AI. Go to blend modes option and simply go for color. Now, and let's just look out. If you zoom in, you can see clearly. It is a technique. You can follow along. You can get the just color, and it is the final results. Here's the before, and here is the after. You can try out. Hope this helps you, and if it did, then don't forget to like and subscribe. And not just to subscribe, ring the bell that you, my friend, don't miss out any other feature, tips, tricks, or tutorials. Meet in the next one. Till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating. One thing more, my friend, you can also download that images. Check the link in the descriptions. So, thanks for watching.